Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to get legend styles in Yakuza 0. These powerful secret fighting styles are the ultimate forms for both Kuryu and Majima, offering unique abilities and devastating attacks. Unlocking them requires dedication to their respective business storylines, but the effort is well worth it for the significant combat advantages they provide. We will cover the specific steps for each character, ensuring you can master these legendary techniques and dominate your foes. To unlock Kuryu's Dragon of Dojima style, you must complete the entire Real Estate Royale storyline. This business venture begins in Chapter 5. You'll need to defeat all 5 rival billionaires who control Kamurocho's districts. After conquering the final boss, the Finance King, Kuryu will automatically gain access to his legendary fighting style. This process involves buying properties, upgrading them, and managing your staff to maximize earnings and influence. For Majima's Mad Dog of Shimano style, you need to complete the Cabaret Club Czar storyline. This engaging side business starts in Chapter 7. Your goal is to defeat the 5 stars of Sotenbori's cabaret scene. By managing Club Sunshine, recruiting hostesses, and winning rival battles, you will eventually face and overcome the final rival. Once you defeat the last of the 5 stars, Majima's unique and frantic legend style will be yours to command. Once unlocked, both legend styles can be further enhanced by investing money into their respective skill trees. These styles offer distinct advantages, like Kuryu's balanced power and Majima's unpredictable speed. Remember to switch between your styles strategically during combat to maximize your effectiveness. Mastering these ultimate forms will transform your gameplay, allowing you to tackle even the toughest challenges with confidence and flair.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.